Hi Braids Gang sisters, and welcome back to this channel. If you're new, hi, and thank you for stopping by. I will be doing a tutorial, or a mini tutorial, on how I sort of like accessorize my braids. At the moment, as you can see, I have some goddess braids and I'm loving it. So remember to like, comment and share this video, and let's get into it. I am literally just going to be using this. I'm going to be using this just because I don't want too much. I actually like the way it looks without, but actually I think this is a nice way to, you know, decorate and accessorize your braids. I've got a few of these in my hand, and all you just do is, it's really easy. You literally just, you gauge your hair, you're like, okay, where would I like it to be, and you just place it and you squeeze it, and voila, already the braids look a lot more prettier. And you squeeze, because it's a cuff, so it should just squeeze on, make sure it's on tight, and there you have it. You already have some decorated braids. And then I'm going to bring some from the back. And there you have it. Really pretty. Oh, it's so nice. As you can see, I haven't put in too many like braid cuffs. I just don't want too much. Sometimes I think it can be like too much, so I'm just going to stick to this. I think it's really beautiful. And now let's go on to the beads. This was like £1, by the way. Both of these packs were £1 each, so very cheap. I'm just going to take this, I fold, twist to make it thin, push it through, pull through the other end, and then I'm going to, these two, just tie a knot. Like that. Obviously for some people it'll be like, oh, it looks messy, but honestly I really don't mind. I think it looks okay. As long as it's at the end, it's fine for me. Another knot just so it's 100% secure. Yes, and you pull through, and there you have it. Obviously they're a bit, my braids are long, but this